Hey you guys, thank you for tuning into another video. So as you can see, I got a little bit of a different setup. That's because we got an unboxing video today. I haven't done one of these in a while and I really enjoy watching them and doing them. And I got new inventory in because the season is changing. It's about to be summertime, so of course I have to get the girls ready for summer. I got some stuff that came in. I still have some boxes that I'm still waiting for, but I didn't want to prolong the video, so I'm gonna jump right into it. And I'm gonna show you guys what I got, and yes, I will drop some of the names of the vendors at which I got them from. You gotta watch the entire video if you're interested in where these who the vendors are and who I shop with for my own personal boutique. So without further ado, we're gonna jump right into it. So the first one we're gonna unbox is not really clothing inventory, it's more so supply inventory. This box came from Sticker Mule. If you're not familiar with Sticker Mule labels, they do stickers, they do my poly mailers. I do all my poly mailers from Sticker Mule. If you haven't checked out my unboxing video, I'll put it up there if you want to see what they look like, or you can just keep watching because I'm about to show you guys. But if you were interested in using Sticker Mule, there is a coupon code that you can use down below. And you can get samples from them, but more details in regards to Sticker Mule will be in the video, and I'll put it up here somewhere and I'll put it down below for you guys as well. So for this package, this is actually going to be something, and I got scissors this time because last time I did an unboxing video I had used a knife and people were like putting all this stuff on my page about me needing to get scissors or a proper box cutter, but I got scissors this time to be a little safer. Ordered some bigger poly mailers because right now the biggest that I have with my actual boutique name on it is only a 10 by 14. I think these are like a 16 or 14 or something, I don't know. But then I also ordered some transfer labels or stickers for a project that I am working on, which again I will have further details in a video coming up rather quickly because I want to get this program launched before the end of the month. But I'm gonna see what they look like because I haven't see what they look like. So oh, this is cute. So this is what it looks like on the inside. And so the first thing I'm gonna pull out, oh, what is this? Oh, so I finally got this. I always order from Sticker Mule and I never get the hot sauce. Pretty much if you order over a certain amount, you get their hot sauce. How hot sauce is implemented into the business, I don't know. But nevertheless, they do give you hot sauce when your orders are over a certain amount. So I finally got it this time around. So this is what it comes in. Oh, and it literally is, oh, Mule, because Sticker Mule, so it's Mule sauce. So this is what it looks like, if you guys can see. But pretty much it just says Mule sauce by Sticker Mule. Very interesting. So the first thing that I got is these labels, which they're not as thick as I wanted them, but I'm gonna show you guys what they look like. So these are transfer stickers, and this is what it looks like in the packaging, and it just has my business name on it. As you can see, I wanted them a little bit thicker, but these will do. I'll show you guys what it looks like. But pretty much it's the type of stickers that you could put on something and it's like clear. I don't know if I can show you guys, let me see. But when you pull it, it's like this. So it's going to stick on something. I'm going to show you guys just in case you want to get these type of stickers. Okay, so I cut off a piece of cardboard so I can show you guys, because again, this is a really good way if you do like brand ambassador boxes, or you want to send like PR packages and you want to save money and not have to go get custom boxes made, which is what I'm doing because I don't know how this program is going to work out. And so I don't want to put a lot of money into it if it's not something that I'm satisfied with the results. So this is how I'm making these boxes. So the sticker comes off like this, but it's not going to have the clear background once I put it on to the box, or in this case the cardboard. So we put it on here for you guys first. Oh, actually this works. It's nice and clean. And so what you do is you put it on whatever your box or whatever it is that you want to do, and then you pull off the clear piece, and then it's going to leave it on there. leave the wording. It's supposed to. Let's see. I have to pull it off slowly. So you have to pull it off rather slowly because it's trying to bring the wording with it, which I don't want. But there you go. So now you can see. Okay, so I gotta play around with this. That was the first one doing it. I think I need one of those things that like helps it stick, but I got the House of part, the inspo. It's taking too long, but this is pretty much what it's gonna look like on a box. So it doesn't have all like that actual sticker looking thing. It just has the words that are transferred on there. Put a bunch of those to put on the boxes, and then I got new poly mailers. I got the larger size, and so this is what they look like. Nice and large, perfect for, I should have put my like hashtags or something on there, or my social media, but these are a lot bigger and I need these because my orders have been getting bigger, or I have like denim or like maxi dresses and stuff like that. So these are perfect, and as you can see I took the boutique out of it because I don't want to be known as a boutique anymore. I just want it to be House of Inspo. So that is what I did. I think next time I do them I'll probably put my socials on there, so that way it just gives it a little bit more cuteness to the bag. So I'm very happy with that. Always happy with Sticker Mule. I love Sticker Mule, and like I said, if you want to check out Sticker Mule, I'll put the link down below. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the things that you guys have been wanting to see. The things that you clicked on this video for is my new inventory. So I haven't gotten everything. Like I said, I have some other things coming. I have some really dope dresses that I cannot wait to come because they are so cute, and I definitely want one for myself. Now these boxes, I did go ahead and open them because I was making a TikTok. So I've already cut them open, but I'm gonna show you. So this one, actually both of these are new vendors. I tried new vendors this time. Vendor I'm gonna give you guys is called 𝗵𝗲. And I put their link down below for you guys as well. I bought everything through Fashion Go for this order. This time for summer, I want to try something new. I've been doing like polls and stuff on my Instagram for my business and kind of asking my customers like, what do y'all want? What do y'all want to see? And so for the majority of things, they wanted color, they wanted sets, and they wanted like jumpsuits, rompers, and dresses. So I tried to pick up all of that. So the first thing that I got is a new set that we'll be showcasing, and I think this set comes from an extra small to an extra large. I didn't even know it had an extra small on there, but that's good because my girls are extra small as well. Even my models, or some of them are extra small. So this is what it looks like. It's a really chill. It looks super small, but this is an extra small, so that's why it looks so small. These are really cute. They have the cute little ruffle shorts at the bottom. It does have, or does it not? No, it doesn't have pockets. I thought it had pockets. It doesn't have pockets, but that's okay. But it has a really nice band on it and a nice little drawstring. So this is super cute with the little ruffle shorts. And then the top it comes with, it's just this really cute like ruffle top that it comes with, and it looks like that. So I had, and it has like buttons down the front. So I had envisioned this like a really cute outfit, tuck the shirt in, wear it with some heels. So yeah, this is really nice material, really nice quality, nice material. So this is the first thing that I got. I love these shorts. I love ruffle shorts in the like spring and summer. It's just so like girly and feminine. So that's that thing I got from them. Now I seen this. This is gonna be like a relaxed one-piece romper. I had seen this a long time ago. I don't know if y'all watch or follow Mina Monroe, or More Money Mina, whichever page you follow, but I follow her. I love her style, and really what she does is she just does like very relaxed, effortless outfits and makes them look very expensive and chic. But she's buying from the same vendors we buy from. It's just the way that she styles them makes them look so like so different, and makes them look so like modern and up to date. I don't know how to explain it, but her styling is like amazing. But the thing I had seen when I saw these, I was like, why do I know where those came from? And it's because I had seen her wear them probably last summer, and I thought it was super cute. So I found the vendor that she bought these from, and I went ahead and decided to try it out. It's another really good, nice quality material, and this is what it looks like. I got this nice, pretty like salmon pink color, but they're pretty much like one-piece rompers. And if I can see the picture of how she wore it, I'm going to put it up. But pretty much it's a very lightweight romper. You could pair this with some really cute like tie-up nude heels, and I think this would be a really cute like summer fit as well. Or you can just wear it relaxed and wear it with like some really cute sandals and a cute bag, or even a hat. This is what it looks like. And again, I'll put the picture of Mina, if I can find it somewhere, in here from them. I only bought 3 pieces. This one starts out at a small as well, and this is actually a white piece. I don't think I have anything. Oh no, I do have one white dress in my inventory. I don't fool with white too much because I don't wear white this much. Like, this is about as white as it gets. It's like a little crop white t-shirt. Looks like, again, it's still in that very feminine frills, ruffles, but it looks like this. Is kind of hard to see on the camera because it's white, but it's really lightweight. It is a romper, but it's very flowy and has the ruffles at the bottom. And then it has a really nice, let me see if it's see-through. It's not see-through. Has a really nice button down like this, and then like really cute ruffles. Oh, there it is. Like that and like that. But yeah, this is really cute. I was trying to go for like really feminine, really cute pieces. Trying to do something a little different. I'm trying to veer away from being like other boutiques and buying the same thing that other boutiques are buying, because I don't want to be like, oh, you come to our page and I've seen that on like 4 other boutiques before I came to your page. So I try to find things that are a little bit different and just put my own twist and styling on them to show people how to wear them, hence House of Inspo. So yeah, so we got this. This is really cute. I love that. So that's all that I got from 𝐕𝐞𝐫, new vendor. Like I said, quality is really nice. I'm gonna try the pieces on so I can see like how the fit is, but for the most part it looks like everything is true to size. I'm gonna go to the next vendor, and this is a very popular vendor. I don't know why I haven't been buying from them, but I most definitely will be buying more pieces from them. And I'm gonna show you guys what I got and who it is. All right, you guys, so I got the next box. I opened this one already too, because again, I was making TikToks, and this is what this is. So this vendor is a very popular vendor, and I don't know where I've been. Like, I've always checked this vendor out, but I never really checked them out. Like, I don't know what I was thinking, because they have a lot of cute pieces. Now, the only thing with them is that a lot of people do order from them, and I just said I was trying to find new stuff. So like this first piece I'm gonna show you guys, I'm pretty sure you've been seeing this all around. A little late to the scene with this vendor. So this is probably a piece that you guys have already seen on other boutiques, but I'm gonna have it as well. So I'm gonna show you who the vendor is. The name of the vendor for this is going to be Good Time USA. I know you can find them on Fashion Go, but I did order quite a few pieces from them. All these are going to be sets as well, because again, I've been trying to listen to my customers and see what they want, and the girls want sets for the summer. So I'll show you guys what we got. So the only thing I don't like about Good Time already is that, as you can see, like with other vendors, everything is like pre-packaged, and it makes it easy for packaging it up. They come on plastic hangers for Good Time, and that's the only thing so far that I do not like, because that means I have to individually go in there and actually refold everything. And usually what I do is just take it out, pop one of my tags on it, and then slide it into one of my bags. But for this, I'm actually gonna have to do some folding. So that's the only thing I hate, is I hate these plastic hangers. First piece I got, like I said, I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this all over Instagram. If you haven't, I'm pretty sure you'll see it starting to come up, because a lot of people are getting these, already have them. And I didn't realize it until after I bought it. But this is a 2-piece set, and very vibrant in color. It comes with this maxi skirt, and then it has this top here, like a little bandeau top with the strap across it. And then again, it comes with this yellow maxi skirt, which is really cute. This is just the rest of them. This is going to be another set, and then it's this really cute plaid short set. So again, it has this really cute like bandeau top, and then it comes with these little shorts. Now I think these shorts have pockets. Maybe it was these. Yeah, so these have pockets. This is the set maybe I was thinking of, but these is really cute. I have this other set of these that I have now. I already opened. Oh, they do come in bags, so I guess it's certain things. certain things are on bags and certain things are on hangers. I don't know. But I did open this already. This is what it looks like. This is another set. Now, this is actually a top and a skirt. So I got a skirt this time. So this is a real cute, like tropical type of skirt. Looks like that. Nice little waistband, super cute. Pretty sure it's a skirt. Yeah, that's what it looks like. And then this one comes with a really cute little off the shoulder top. It looks like that. It has a little scrunchiness in the back, so it's stretchy. And then it has a little tie here. It says, you know, sometimes you like to tie it around the belly, or you can just tie it in the back, however you like it. But this is really, really cute. Look, cute little thing. Got another set from them. We might go back and get some other colors because I really like this. This is another cute little set. This one, it looks like this. This does have pockets. So it's this little cute little green set. Looks like this. Another sage color. And it does indeed have pockets. Real lightweight, real flowy, super cute to throw on again with some like nude tie-up heels. I'm obsessed with those right now. And then it has this really cute little button down number. It is long sleeve, but this is super lightweight and super stretchy, so you won't be hot in it. And then you could just tie it to the front. And again, I'll put a picture up so you guys can kind of see, because I know off the hanger it can be a little difficult to see, but this is really, really, really cute. So far, you guys, I just want to come here and show you. I'm actually going to LA next week to finish up shopping for summer, because these are just things that I saw that I was like, let me grab it now, because y'all know how these websites get. Fashion Go and LA Showroom now, it's just so much competition out there that like if you don't grab something when you see it, then more than likely you won't see it again. It'll be sold out and they won't bring it back, or it's just really hard to get it if they do bring it back, or you have to wait till like 2 or 3 months later. So these are things that I saw that I was like, let me grab that now because I really wanted them. And then, like I said, I'm going to LA next week, and I'm gonna go finish up the summer, or finish up shopping for summer, and hopefully I can find some new vendors and things. And of course, I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'll be by myself, so I'll try to get as much footage as I can and do a vlog. So yeah, that is going to be the start of our new summer inventory. If you guys have any questions, definitely feel to drop them below. The vendors again will be down below for you guys, and all the links for Sticker Mule, all that great stuff. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.